welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here today. We're going to do a fun video. I'm going to be decorating my mantle right behind me for Christmas, and I'm going to be using a lot of the products that I picked up from this year's Christmas decor haul. If you have not seen that yet, you can go ahead and watch that. I'll link that above and below for y'all to go watch and see what I picked up. I've got some really cute things. So if you guys have a mantle like mine where you have a TV above it, I thought I would show you how I decorate, because it's a little challenging sometimes to really get that good full Christmas effect. And I just wanted to show you that even if you have a TV above your mantle, you can still get that good look that we all want during Christmas time. And what's exciting is that it's our new house, and this is the first time we're celebrating Christmas in this house. So I'm so happy to see it all come together. I'm going to be filming different series for you all so you can see how I decorate each part of my house. We did get our Christmas tree up, but I haven't decorated it yet. I did flock it, which is super exciting. So if you like to see how I flocked my Christmas tree, stay tuned, because I will be putting that video up very soon for y'all to go watch and learn how to do your own DIY flocking, which is super easy and very affordable. If you have not already, I would love for you guys to be a part of my YouTube family. Go hit that subscribe button below, like this video if this is the type of content that you like to watch, and go follow me over on Instagram. I show you tons of daily updates, so you can go follow me over there. I'm at Home with Haley, and let's get started getting this mantle decked out for the holidays. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. I do want to say that if you hear snoring, it is my older dog Serena. She's over here taking a little nap on the carpet, so she's gonna be snoring away. I wish I was snoring away, but she's lucky and she gets to take an afternoon nap while I record this video. So the first thing I like to do is I have these two sides here up on the side of the TV, and I like to add some height there, you know, try to make it look as big as possible. This mantle actually looks smaller behind me, but if I get up close to it, you can see it's pretty big. It's a good size. I think it's about 6 feet long. I picked up these candle holders from Hobby Lobby maybe a month and a half ago. These were very affordable, and I thought I'd pick these up for the mantle. I got 2 of these, so I'm going to stick these on the very ends of my mantle. So I have this really beautiful little sparkly Christmas tree, and I picked this up a few years back. I cannot remember where, probably like Target or Hobby Lobby or something like that. But it's just a glittery, pretty Christmas tree, and it's pretty tall. So I'm gonna stick this on top of the candle holder. On my other candlestick holder over here, I'm gonna actually put this Bath & Body Works candle. I showed you guys this one in my Bath & Body Works haul, and it smells so good. It's the flannel scent, and you guys, it's amazing. I've been burning so much of it, as you can see, and it's been so delightful to have. I love this scent so much. I really love the look of putting like little houses on the mantle, and I have a couple here that I really like. I've bought from, I think, like Hobby Lobby or maybe Target. I can't remember exactly. It was from a few years back. And I also have a galvanized metal tree collar that I use, and so I thought this would coordinate really nicely with that. So I'm going to put this little house right over here. This is the other one I have. It's a little bit darker of a metal. It's kind of a matte color. And so I'm gonna put this one over here on this side to kind of make it coordinate. So I already did hang up some 3M command strips. I have 2 really big ones on each end, and then I hung a smaller one in the center, and then I also have small ones right underneath here. I have small ones right under here for our stockings, And it's a really good idea to use command hooks because you can't really see them when you use them, and then you don't have to worry about damaging any of your surfaces with those command hooks. So I got mine from Amazon this year, and they were pretty affordable and they came really quickly, so I was really happy about that. And I'll link those down below for you if you guys are interested in those command hooks that I used. All right, y'all, I'm holding my big garland. So this is the big garland that I got, and you saw this in my decor haul if you watched it, from Home Goods, and it is beautiful. I have it all lit up right now with the battery. I don't know if y'all can see the lights because it's pretty bright out here, but this garland is 9 feet, and I wanted it a little bit bigger than my fireplace mantle, which is about 6 feet long. And so I'm gonna hang this up, and I fluffed it up and everything so it should look really beautiful. Got that up, I just kind of played with it to make sure it was like a little bit, you know, fluffed up still and kind of symmetrical. So I have these little picks here, and they're kind of like a copper glittery berry, and I have these for my Christmas tree, so I thought it'd be fun to stick a couple of these inside of this garland so that it can kind of coordinate with the Christmas tree once I have the Christmas tree decorated. And this is what the berries look like. So I'm gonna go stick these on each end of my garland. I just like how it adds a little bit of a sparkle towards the end and some dimension and color. Now, because I don't have a lot of space between like my TV and the mantle area, I thought it'd be fun to just stick some candle, well, they're not real candles, but I picked these up from Amazon, I think like a couple weeks ago, maybe last month, and they're really cool candles. These ones are actually plastic, but they have the little flicker effect, so if you turn them on here, they go on, and then the little candle looks like it's flickering, and they're so cozy at night, and I don't have to worry about, you know, them being on and burning anything up, especially because if I stick it here underneath the TV, I definitely don't want a real candle under the TV. But you can see how they're flickering. They just look so cool. So I bought, I think, a set of, I think 12, I can't remember how many candles, and they were super affordable. I think they were like about $24. These candles come with a remote, which is really cool. So you can put them on a timer, you can make them dim, like dimmer lighting, and you can also turn them on and off, obviously, but you can make them just more of like a glow, and then this little light doesn't flicker here. The candle flame won't flicker, it just kind of glows like a candle would, and they're just really cool. So I'm going to set 6 of them up here on my mantle. Here's the little remote that it comes with, and I'm going to show you guys how cool it is. You just, with one push of a button, can turn the candles on, and there is a setting for a 2, 4, 6, or 8 hour timer on here, which is really cool. All right, here goes. Isn't that so cool? I love having these candles so much. It's made such a difference at night, especially when we're just hanging out here on the couch watching TV. It's so fun to have these candles going. So I found this cute garland at Target. I showed you this also in my haul. It says Merry and Bright. It's in gold letters right here, and it's just so cute. So I'm gonna stick this on the mantle. I already have my hooks up, so it's gonna be really easy. since I'm adding like more whites to, I'm sorry, Serena is going out. She is crazy snoring. She's crazy. So this year I'm adding more whites to my house, and I have other stockings that we normally use from Ballard's Designs, and I really love them, but they just didn't go with what I was wanting for my look. So I picked these ones up from Amazon, and they're really affordable. They're like the sock material kind of look, like the pillows I showed you in my haul, and they're so cute. They're very kind of simple, but just really cozy looking, and I loved them so much. I got them in a set of 4, which was about, I think, $30 for 4, which is a really affordable price. So I picked up 2 sets because we needed 7, but I'm gonna actually be putting up 8 because I'm gonna put 1 up for the dogs. These stockings up where there were like 4 kind of on this side and 4 kind of on this side, and I had a little bit of a gap here in the middle. I didn't mean to do that, but you know, just kind of worked out that way. So I was like, well, I think I'm gonna fill in that gap. So I have this little wreath here from Hobby Lobby that I got a couple years ago. I think they still sell these there, and I thought it was so pretty, so I added this little ribbon here, which is a gold ribbon, and I'm going to stick this in the middle of the fireplace so it can kind of fill up that little bit of a gap. So I think I'm finished with this top part, and now I'm going to move on to the hearth. I have a few pieces that I think are going to look really cute there, so let's try them out and see what it looks like. So I normally keep a basket of blankets on the hearth. I'm holding it around, it's really kind of heavy, and I thought I would add this here to the hearth, and I put the new furry blanket that I just got from Costco in it, and it feels so good and it's so nice. And after I opened it, I actually realized that backing was like a velvet. It's so soft. So I'm gonna stick this on the mantle. So do y'all remember this adorable sled that I picked up from Hobby Lobby? I showed you guys this in my haul, and I love this so much. I'm gonna stick this on the hearth. So when I was shopping around at Hobby Lobby and I found this beautiful Santa that I also showed you in my haul, I knew right away that he had to go on the hearth with the sled, so that is where I'm putting him. I have this really cute little bundle of wood, and I'm gonna stick this right by Santa because I just think it's perfect to have wood by the fireplace. I felt like I needed something a little bit tall to go like right over here. So remember that one Christmas tree that I showed you guys in my haul from Hobby Lobby that I was kind of not sure what I was gonna put? I think it's gonna look perfect there. This is the tree I'm talking about, if you guys don't remember from the haul. I wrapped these really cute little fairy lights around them. I got a pack of, I think, like 12 fairy lights from Amazon, and they were like, I think $12.99 or something like that. Really affordable, and they all came with batteries, and then it came with extra batteries. I mean, who doesn't love that? So I think that adds just a little touch of Christmassy glowing cheer. I'm gonna put that next to the Santa Claus and the sled. All right, friends, I'm all finished decorating my fireplace. I love the way that it turned out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of today's video. Do you guys have a fireplace that you decorate every year? Do you have a faux fireplace? I hope that I could have been some inspiration for you today with having a TV above your fireplace if you have one like ours, where sometimes it can be a little bit of a decorating challenge, but I hope that I was able to inspire you to try some new things and to just give you some ideas for this year's decor. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, for watching today's video. Go hit that subscribe button below so you can see more of the Christmas content that I have coming up. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to finish decorating my house. And if you aren't already following me over on Instagram, I'd love for you guys to follow me over there as well. My Instagram's @homewithhaley. Hit the like button if you like this type of content, and if you enjoyed today's video, it really helps my channel and it lets me know that you guys are satisfied with the videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Feeling alone.